In this video, I'm going to input my sales copy onto my sales page template. I'm going to click on Edit Page. Before editing, I'm going to take a look at the entire sales page template here. Okay, so let's get started here. First thing I'm going to put here is my headline. So I'm going to go to my Word document, and my headline is Internet Marketing Expert Reveals How to Earn a Full-Time Online Income in Just 1 Year. Paste that onto here. Now to make this stand out more, I'm going to change the color of the font. Now for whatever reason, the color of the font's not changing, so I'm going to try to create a new headline here, see if that works. I've never had this problem before, but so I'm just going to create a new element here, and again I'm going to paste my headline onto here, and let's see what happens. Text color white, and there you go. So that works. I'm going to delete this one here. So to delete, I'm just going to click on this garbage icon here. Actually, I shouldn't have deleted that because I do have a pre-headline. Let me just go here. My pre-headline is, are you still struggling to work from home and not have to worry about commuting to work? So what I'll do is I'm going to clone this, okay, and I'm going to put my pre-headline here. Let me just copy this. And let's just decrease the font size. And maybe change the color of the font. And my headline, it seems like the font size is a little too small, so I'm going to increase the font size. And now I'm going to click on Save. And now it's asking me to change the SEO metadata. So let me just quickly edit this here for now. And again, I'm going to click on Save. I don't have a sales video for the sales page, so I'm going to delete this sales video here. And again, click on Save. I actually have another headline here. This is the sub headline. So let's copy this. Click on Add New Element. And I'm going to choose sub headline. Make this bold. And maybe I'll change the color of the font to something different. And now I'm going to click on Save.